Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video, I will show you tutorial number 5. This is the 5th tutorial how to trade Bitcoin. I had 4 videos about how to trade Bitcoin. The first video showed you what's going on with coinmarketcap.com. The second video showed you what's going on with TradingView and this quick overviews and the details of TradingView. The third video I showed you how to draw trend lines. The fourth video I showed you how you can make parallel channels. And now this is the 5th tutorial of Bitcoin, and you can see here a clear chart. Today I will make something special with you. On this 5th tutorial I will show you something. I told you it's possible and it's easy to make trend lines. The trend line from the downside to the upside like this, and a lot of other stuff with trend lines. Okay, I showed you it's possible to make here parallel channels also from the downside, or maybe like from this point to this point, a parallel channel to the upside, and a lot of other stuff here on my TradingView tutorial. Now guys, something else. Look at this. This is a very nice bullish Bitcoin. That's a very nice run up here. You can see it. It's going up here to the moon from the deepest point. It's going up and up and up. You can't draw here a parallel channel because from the deepest point, maybe this was the deepest point, you can't draw a channel because you can see it, guys, it's not working. You can draw a channel like this. This is a channel for the big time frame, and yes, it's working also. We have also a middle line that's a big support, and so on and so on. But we have something special too, guys. I would like to show you this in this video. I will show you now here this point. Let me check it. Here it is. It is the curve, and the curve is a very interesting tool here. You can make one thing. You can click here on the deepest point like this. Now you have the curve. And now guys, we have here a Bitcoin, a downgoing Bitcoin, and a spike to the downside here also. If we have this curve here like this, we can use this point here as the middle line of the curve, as the point for the curve, or this point here also. We can draw it like this here, and if we click now, you see this is a parabolic curve, a parabolic upgoing curve, and this parabolic curve, guys, is a very nice support for this run up for this Bitcoin mooning thing here. So you can see, okay, very interesting. We never spiked through this curve. This curve was always a great support. It's a green line now. We also can draw it like this from this point here, and we can draw it with this. We can click on this point here. You can click here on this and on this, but that's not working very well. We have to click here on this lowest point. So let me draw it again, guys. The parabolic run-up curve, like this. Interesting is something, if we are taking this point here as the lowest point, you can see we spiked through this curve here, but we had no confirmed breakout through this curve. Very interesting here. That's the 4-hour chart. The better thing to make this is the 1-day chart. Let me show you on the 1-day chart also. We have this parabolic upgoing curve here. So let's zoom in a little bit more, and let's erase the curve, and let's start again. We take the deepest point. This was the deepest point before the startup of this run up, and then this is a lot better here. This is working a lot better on the daily chart. Look at this. We have the best things here. This curve was the support here. It also was the support here. It also was a support here, and now we are here on this side, on this upgoing Bitcoin. Now let me show you something special. We have a really nice support. If we come down now with Bitcoin here a little bit more. It's still possible to come down a little bit more. I can show you a nice price target. If you will come down the whole day, every candle is 1 day, and if you will come down here to this parabolic line, to this curve, you can see we have a target about 49,000. So if Bitcoin will come down with these candles to this direction, 49,000 US dollar must hold for today. This is a big support for today. You can see it here on the right side. We have still 4 hours and 40 minutes left for the day. So this candle have to close over this support. That's the big support. It's maybe a good rebuy if Bitcoin will come down today to this direction. If it will come down tomorrow, we may see this point 50,300, or for the next day like this point 51,000. So guys, you can check with this very nice parabolic curve here. You can check very nice here for this uptrend for Bitcoin. Where is your support for the moment, and where is the deepest point Bitcoin must hold this support? That's very, very important. So now you have two things more. You have this parallel channel I showed you from this point to the upside, and you can see, guys, it's measuring very nice here this with our target to the downside with our parabolic run up at 49,000. This is the daily support. You can see it. You can see one other stuff here, the middle line. Yes, this is our resistance for the moment for Bitcoin. We can take a price level about this 48,500. If Bitcoin can go over 58,500, we have another bullish run up to the upside. Possible to look at this. The upside of this parallel channel here is 68,000. So you have a lot of things now. You have the parabolic here, you have the parallel channel also here, and you have also lines here. You can draw a trend line because this was the highest point, and this is also acting as a resistance, and you can draw a line also, a support line from the downside to the upside like this. And you can see one thing, guys, we are forming now here a wedge, a rising wedge on the daily chart. And I will show you on the next video. We will take a look about pattern, and I will show you what is a rising wedge, what can we await from a rising wedge, what are the targets for a breakout to the upside or to the downside, and I will show you special stuff here on video number 6, on tutorial number 6 here. But for today, it's very important for you. You can read now for your own on the daily chart. Big things here you can read here. This is the bottom. This is the support that must hold. This is the middle line acting as a resistance, and 68,000 is the target to reach if Bitcoin may break out to the upside here also. So guys, that's it for this parabolic, very nice, I think, curve here. You can use it to draw and start point, middle point. You can adjust the middle point also, but in this opinion, it's working so nice here. I think the middle point is perfectly hitting here with this point here. You do not have to adjust it because it's working very nice here as a support, and I think it's a very good point here, guys, to see what's possible here with Bitcoin. I think it's possible, very possible. Let me show you how this parabolic curve here can go to the upside. It's very possible to reach 80,000, 90,000. It's not impossible to reach these positions here to the upside. You can see that, guys. So this is the video for today. This was the fifth tutorial video, how to trade Bitcoin. You know now a lot of stuff to draw your lines. You draw your parallel channels. You can draw your curve here. And with the 6th video tomorrow, we will start now with these patterns. There are a lot of patterns out there, and I will show you every pattern. You will see what's going on with this pattern. Patterns are very important for a trader, and I will show you what's going on with this rising wedge here. Guys, that's it for the today video. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you're going long or if you're going short. Guys, I wish you make millions out there. So have a nice time. I hope we see us on the next video, on the 6th video. Greetings, yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.